Questions and answers about living in a car. 000. What's on this channel? Hello, I'm Mona, and I've been traveling full-time in my car through Europe since 2018. In these shorts, I will answer some questions you asked me on Patreon. On Patreon, you will see the answer immediately, and a few weeks later on YouTube. Question 000. What's on this channel? This channel is about the following topics: life in my car, minimalism, happiness, health, relaxation, and learning. I plan to upload a video in 6 languages every week. If you want to see me speak all 6 languages, check out these videos on my other channels. In German, Mona's SUV Reisen. In English, Park It Where You Love It. In French, Voyage en SUV. In Spanish, Tenerife Van Life. In Italian, Viaggi in Macchina. In Russian, Life in My SUV.